The sun set over the wide savanna, painting the sky pink. A small gray elephant with big floppy ears and a gentle smile walked home after a long day. He felt a little heavy in his heart. The gentle breeze whispered through the grass, soothing his ears. He tried to remember the fun of splashing in the river, but a tangled vine had made him stumble earlier. The frustration bubbled up like a small storm. He sighed, feeling the sticky feeling melt away a little. He stopped under a tall acacia tree and took a deep breath, feeling the cool air fill his big lungs. He remembered a wise old tortoise who once said, "When you feel upset, breathe slow like the wind through the grass." The leaves rustled softly, singing a lullaby just for him. He remembered a wise old tortoise who once said, "When you feel upset, breathe slow like the wind through the grass." The tortoise's words reminded him that calm comes from within, like a quiet pond. The elephant closed his eyes. He inhaled slowly for 4 gentle counts, feeling his trunk rise like a soft hill. He felt his heart beat like a slow drum, steady and kind. He held the breath for a moment, listening to the quiet rustle of leaves. Then he exhaled slowly, letting the air drift out like a calm river. The night insects sang a soft tune, matching his gentle exhale. With each slow breath, his heavy feeling became lighter. The sky above turned deeper blue, and the stars began to twinkle. A friendly firefly blinked nearby, lighting his path with a warm glow. He smiled, feeling peace settle like soft sand beneath his feet. The day's worries melted away, replaced by calm warmth. He felt grateful for the quiet moments that helped his thoughts settle. The young elephant walked home under the gentle night sky, his heart steady and his mind calm. He knew he could always use slow breathing to feel peace again. Soon he would rest under a soft blanket of stars, ready for sweet dreams.